In this video, we're going to be looking at the second arpeggio, which you can see right here is in D minor with the root note C. So as you can see on the chord chart, we're playing C and D with our left hand, and with our right hand, we're going to be playing A, D, and F up here. So they're the top three notes. So let's take a look at that on our push. So like I said, we're playing C, but this time we're playing it with our ring finger. And we go across two semitones over here to D, and we'll be playing that with our index finger. And then up here with our right hand, we're going to be playing A with our thumb, then D with our ring finger right here, and F up here with our index finger. So the actual chord shape looks like this. It's a little hard to see with the video, but I'll try to move my hand so you can see it better. There you go. So let's play it as an arpeggio. Remember, the first two notes we're going to be holding down, so that's these two. And then over top we're going to be playing this. So as an arpeggio, let's play it. So that's that particular arpeggio. Now let's play the first chord into this second chord. So let's remember, this is how we played our first chord. And if I just play this as a chord over to the second one, it looks like this. So I really recommend going just between each of these arpeggios as chords with the right fingering, just to get used to it. And then once you have the fingering down, then play them as arpeggios. And there you have it. That was the second chord.